You can use CapCut to create high-quality and engaging videos that can be monetized through platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or other social media channels. Here are a few tips to potentially earn money with CapCut. 1. Choose a niche. Find a specific topic or theme that you're passionate about and create videos around it. This will help you build a dedicated audience. 2. Create valuable content. Focus on creating content that provides value, entertains, or educates your viewers. Engaging and well-edited videos have a higher chance of attracting a larger audience. 3. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions to make your videos searchable. This can help you reach a wider audience and increase the chances of your videos being discovered. 4. Grow your audience. Promote your videos across various social media platforms. Collaborate with other creators and engage with your viewers to build a loyal fan base. 5. Monetization options. Once you have a substantial following, you can explore monetization options such as YouTube's partner program, brand collaborations, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or even selling merchandise. Remember, building a successful channel and making money through video content takes time, effort, and consistency. It's important to focus on creating high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience. If this video helped you, at least please help us to grow our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you so much.